In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter Zillow map by square footage on desktop. Start by opening your browser and heading to Zillow.com. In the search bar, type the city, zip code, or neighborhood you want to explore. Then pick the matching suggestion from the drop-down so you land on the interactive map for that area. Give the map a moment to load. You'll see listings populate along with a panel of options across the top of the page. Next, click the Filters button near the top. This opens the full filter panel that controls what you see on the map. Front and center, you'll notice the familiar options: price, beds, baths, home type, and a section labeled More. Think of this panel as your control room for narrowing results to homes that truly fit your needs. Open the More section. This area typically bundles a variety of refinements, including things like price range, beds and baths, and home type. Historically, this is also where Zillow includes the square footage fields on desktop. If you see an option labeled square footage or square feet, that's the one you want. Enter a minimum value if you're aiming for larger interiors, a maximum value if you want to capsize, or both if you have a specific range in mind. Leaving one field blank is perfectly fine, and simply tell Zillow to filter only on the side you set. Use whole numbers, and don't worry about commas. Zillow interprets standard inputs just fine. As you set your square footage, watch the map and results list. Zillow updates to reflect your choices, keeping only the homes that match your range in the current map area. If you pan or zoom, the filter stays active, so you can scan neighboring blocks without redoing your settings. If you don't see a square footage option in the More panel, don't panic. Zillow sometimes adjusts which filters are visible based on timing, market, or testing. Look carefully through the More section, as it can be grouped with other criteria. If it's still not there, it may be temporarily unavailable for that search or region. In that case, use the other filters to approximate your needs, and check back later, as Zillow often restores or relocates filters over time. When you're satisfied, close the filter panel and continue browsing the map. You now have a cleaner, more focused set of listings aligned with the interior size you want. That's all there is to it: quick, precise, and tailored to your space needs.